Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to make facial animations mocap in Unity. Using the EmotionCap plugin, you can make this directly inside the unit just using your webcam. So, let's see how to do that. So, now a quick explanation about the folders and files that you can find after you downloaded the package from the link in the description. After you have downloaded, you will find these two main files inside the zip folder. Then the first one is the EmotionCap folder that you will find inside this executable file. Then you will launch your webcam and start to capture your facial motions. The second file is the unit package that you will find all the components and descriptions that you will need to interpret the data from your webcam to a 3D model. This just a note, you will be using the character creator model for this example. So for the installation of the unit package, it's very simple. You just need to double click in the unit package or drag and drop in the assets folder. And after you do that, you're gonna get these two folders, EmotionCap and XT OSC folder. Now let's set up the model. To do that, you just need to add the EmotionCap component. Set the 5005 port, that is the default port for the EmotionCap, and assign the blendshape targets for the base body, teeth, eyebrows, and eyes. We also need to create the AR kit blend shapes in each of these meshes. To do that, we need to select and click in the EmotionCap menu and add the AR kits, shape keys, and save. This will create a new mesh in our game object with the AR kit blend shapes. So now let's see it's working. Let's start the EmotionCap executable. After your camera launching, you can just click in Working Editor. Your movements will start to be synchronizing with your model. Now let's test how to record a new animation using the EmotionCap recorder. To do that, I will copy the having imported emotion just as example. I will name it as test animation. Drag and drop this new animation in the animator of the character. In the EmotionCap recorder, and choose the new clip that you have created, the test animation, and in the animation, choose the new animation and click in Start Records. Once you have records, you can stop recording it and stop working in your store to be able to test it. Now you can see your keyframe is already here in the animation tab, and the movement is already recorded. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If it was helpful, give a like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to don't miss any new updates. See you in the next time.